Who lives where? Wild and Farm Animal Adventures for Kids is a fun and engaging video designed to teach children the difference between wild animals and farm animals. Kids will go on a learning adventure to explore where each animal lives, how they behave, and what makes their habitats special. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A. Goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. Horse is a big, strong animal that has been a friend to humans for thousands of years. Horse has big eyes on the sides of its head, so it can see almost all the way around its body. Horse is a great helper. It has been used for riding, farming, sports, and even therapy for people. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow can sleep while standing up or lying down, but it only sleeps for a few hours each day. Cow is very important in farming and helps people all over the world by giving milk, meat, and even helping in fields. Deer communicate with each other through body language, sounds, and even scent marking. They can make a variety of noises, including grunts and bleats. Deer are usually active at dawn and dusk, known as being crepuscular. That's when they are out looking for food. Deer have hooves that help them run quickly and silently, which helps them avoid predators. Snakes are legless reptiles that move by slithering using strong belly muscles and scales. There are over 3,500 species of snakes found almost everywhere on Earth, except Antarctica, Iceland, and a few isolated islands. Snakes are ectothermic, cold-blooded, meaning they rely on the sun or environment to regulate their body temperature. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Giraffes have a blue-black tongue that is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters long, which helps them reach high leaves without getting sunburned. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Sheep have thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. People use the wool to make things like sweaters, blankets, and scarves. Sheep have excellent vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around them, which helps them spot predators like wolves or dogs. Sheep have very good memories and can remember a specific person or animal for a long time. They even recognize faces. Gorillas are the largest primates and share about 98% of their DNA with humans. Gorillas live in countries like Uganda, Rwanda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Cameroon. Gorillas can learn sign language, use tools, and show emotions like grief, joy, and empathy. Male gorillas are much larger than females. Rhinos are large, thick-skinned herbivores known for their horns and prehistoric appearance. Rhinos live in 5 countries in Africa and parts of India, Nepal, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Rhino horns are not bone. They're made of the same protein as human fingernails and hair. Rhinos can recognize each other by smell and sound, and mothers form strong bonds with their calves. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra's stripes are not only beautiful, but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Zebra lives in Africa and is usually found in grasslands, savannas, and mountainous areas. Tiger has orange fur with black stripes, and no 2 tigers have the same stripe pattern. Each one is unique like a fingerprint. Tiger is a carnivore, which means it eats meat. It hunts animals like deer, wild boar, and even buffalo. Tiger lives alone. Leopards are one of the most adaptable big cats and can live in nearly any environment across Africa and Asia. Leopards often carry their prey up into trees to keep it away from scavengers like hyenas and lions. Leopards prefer hunting at night and live alone. Perfect for toddlers, preschoolers, and early learners. This educational adventure makes animal learning simple, fun, and memorable.